I'm here today with Rama, and we wanted to demonstrate how to build duration for a chin rest and how to use a chin rest as a start button behavior. A chin rest is a simple targeting behavior where the dog targets his chin to a hand or to another object or body part. This can be used as a stationary behavior or as a behavior in motion. Once the dog understands that this behavior can be used to make something happen that will lead to reinforcement, we can use it in a variety of applications to give the dog a clear way to offer consent. Let's see what it looks like. Hello, Rama and I are going to show you how we help build duration for chin rest. So first I offer my hand. When he places his chin in my hand, I'm going to click and give him a treat. Now if he didn't know how to do a chin rest, I could simply lower him over my hand and click when he rests his chin there. Since he knows it, I'm just going to wait until he offers the behavior. Good. Now I don't want to move my hand under his chin. I want him actually to move, good, his chin into my hand. Now as he does that, I'm just going to wait an extra second and click to build duration. I'm going to wait 1, 2, click. Once again, I'm going to wait till he offers it. And I'll do 1, 2, 3, click. And we're just gradually building that length of time before we reward. 2, 3, 4, 5. Once he's gained some duration, I can also transfer it to other items. I'll just put this little target in my hand. Put my target in my hand. Good. And I can gradually build up the length of time for this as well. 1, 2, 3. And we can just wait a second longer each time before we click. And wait till he offers that behavior. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We don't need to count out loud. I'm just doing that to show how we build some duration. I'd like to transfer that behavior onto my leg, so I'm going to place, well, good boy. He knows it, so he's offering the behavior already. But if he didn't, I would place my hand on my leg and wait for him to offer. We can build duration the same exact way. If he's been working with the target, I can also use the target for my leg. Good. Now that he knows it, I'm just going to wait for him to offer when my leg is in the position. Good. I can build some duration here as well by waiting. 2, 3, 4, 5. And we can gradually build that up longer. Just going to go back to my hand. 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. I usually cue him this way, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And once again, we just gradually extend the length of time until he is used to resting his little head on wherever we would like him to do that for a chin rest. Once he's used to working with a little target, it's really easy to transfer it to other things. So we're going to start with our target first. Good. Chin. I cued him there. We can fade the cue as well. Now once he understands. I'm going to replace this with a towel since we'd like to use that as a target as well. So I'm going to start with my little target marker here that he's used to using. I'll use it on my leg. Good. So to start, I can just click when he touches it at all, and then we want to gradually build a longer behavior. 1, 2, 3. Good. And we can just build our counting up. Once again, we don't need to count out loud. It's just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. And I can remove my target. We can just use the towel. 1, 2, 3. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. So we're building a little bit of duration here. Now, at this point, I've still been feeding him in position just to build some value for that position. But if I'd like him to start offering this on his own, I can feed him out of position. See what that looks like here. Good. We fed him out of position to allow him to go back to the target if he'd like to. Good. Just feeding him out of position to allow him to offer again. I'm going to offer this to him as a chin rest. Good. Just going to gradually build up his duration. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Going to reward out of position again. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Just gradually building up a little additional duration for him by waiting a little bit longer each time before I click. There you go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Nice. And I'm just going to use this with the brush. Rama did not used to be a big fan of being brushed, but good. But he tends to get itchy if he doesn't get brushed, especially when he's shedding. So this is one thing we'll do. Can I brush? Yes. 1, 2, 3. What a good boy you are. Okay, nice job. Can I brush? Can I brush you? Yes. Good boy. Good boy. Oh, you're doing so good. Good job. Can I brush? Can I brush? Oh, good boy. And he's just giving a clear signal he's okay to be brushed. He's actually started to enjoy brushing. So once he moves out of that position, then I'm going to stop. Good boy. And he's just giving a clear indication to me that he doesn't mind being brushed right now. Sometimes he does. Good boy. him the brush. Can I brush? Yes, he's going to give the indication, and then I'm going to brush him. Good boy. Good dog. He stops, so I'm going to stop. Feet out of position. Ask him again. Can I brush? Oh, that's my boy. Good job. Good job. Good Bubby. Dear love. Okay. That's how we can develop some duration for our chin rest, and also how we can use a chin rest for a start button behavior. Once again, it's a very clear indication that anybody can see. When he places his chin there, he's ready for the behavior. And if we're using a duration behavior, he can also move his head off of that object or away from that area to indicate that he wants the behavior to stop. So for a dog that has a lot of issues with touch and handling, like Rama used to and still does in some cases, this is really helpful for him. It really gives him the power to say if he's not ready or if he doesn't want to be touched at this time or groomed. That gives him the choice, and when he has the choice, he is so much more tolerant of handling. Good boy. Good. We are just adding a little motion to our chin rest. So there, he targeted my hand. I'm going to just take one step forward, and then we're going to click. Target my hand again. I'm going to ask him to take 1, 2, step forward, and then we'll click. So he finds my hand. We're going to take 1, 2, 3 steps, and then click. We'll do it one more time. So he finds my hand. We're going to do 1, 2, 3. Good. And we'll click. Now he's working on his chin rest in motion. Soon he will start to use that as a start button behavior to indicate moving forward. Thanks for watching.